Hold up, we just found the skin of a plesiosaur? Truth be told, the specimen itself isn't a recent discovery. We found it all the way back in 1940, but detailed studies on it didn't begin until 2020. The analysis of the skin showed us that this particular animal had multiple types of scales that were used for multiple purposes. Over most of their bodies, their scales were relatively smooth, but they may have also been possibly keeled like some modern turtles. Scales that are keeled have ridges or bumps in the middle of them that can be used for multiple purposes. If you're surprised they share traits with turtles, let me remind you that as far as we're aware, turtles are their closest living relatives. Previously, we thought that they had relatively thin skin, but this new study shows us that it was actually relatively thick. That point is reinforced even further by the scales on their flippers, which look more like standard reptilian fare, but they're also incredibly thick, much thicker than the rest of their body. These would have provided them traction on the seafloor for something called benthic grazing, sifting through the sand in search of food. Another trait that's shared with some turtles and is absolutely brilliant.